Let's see, in fact, we had a first stage in which everything was imagination and limited means. We started out with a 49 square meter local, which was quite small. It used to be an old house. And we started to do very small things, and then it was more or less prospering. And we had to look for a 175 square meter building, and from there we bought our first bending machine. And we started bending and cutting metal. The first big project we did was the bridge at the Montmeló circuit in Barcelona. Another important project we did was the call center in Mexico. And that catapulted me in organization, production, and logistics with everything that ensued. And from there we have done projects all over the world. We did the Bolligrin Garden in Monaco, the roof of Los Encantos de Glorias, and now we are entering the third stage, and we are preparing for this. I've always liked to do things bordering on the impossible. All the challenges that have been proposed to me have been done, always. One of our strengths is to fight against complex geometries, and there is always a solution. The impossible becomes possible. I already had the need to make a change. I felt the need. Why? I don't know, but I had that need. To do certain things, you have to go hand in hand with certain types of companies. So I went with Albert, and nothing to say, just perfect.
Of course, this investment scared me a lot. I said, why are we going to do this? But he told me, Merche, everything is going to be perfect. But honestly, it is the best money we have spent, because half of what Simbiotia and Albert did for us, we would not have done on our own. Because we had the ideas, but implementing them was the hard part. Someone from outside has to come in and show us how to do it.
Simbiotia has helped us completely at all levels.
Evaluated all our areas, and they also made a general study of communication in the company.
Why? Because they always look for your weak point and then strengthen it. And to tell you the truth, we are very happy and grateful to have worked with them. Without a doubt, the difference between success and failure can be Simbiotia.
And while the improvement in the quality of life for me has been fundamental, it works very well. The space also has nothing to do with what we had before. Both clients and friends say that the evolution has been phenomenal, that it is amazing.
They are completely amazed. I mean, all the people who come here are very complimentary about the changes. They are very happy that
we have made this transformation. I would recommend Simbiotia to any company that wants to innovate, to have functional spaces, and of course, to work at ease.
We undertook this project with a lot of enthusiasm in September of 2019. No one expected what was to come, but I can tell you, knowing what was in store for us, I would have done it anyway.